Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to temporarily disable your Facebook page. Maybe you're no more in a business or you want to take a break. Previously we made a video which showed that, and we only find out when we listen to the video. It shows, okay, it was intended to show how to delete, and we also covered part of what we're going to cover here. And we only find like there was no sound on the video we made, and we really apologize to people for what we did upload previously. But now in this video we're gonna show you we're gonna show you how to do both of those things so that you don't be in a situation whereby you lost your time for free. So there are many reasons why you should do that, and sometimes depends on person to person. So your reasons might not be the same as somebody else's reasons, but we're gonna achieve the same goal. So what you're going to do now, log into your Facebook. Me, I've logged in already. Then look onto your dashboard and see if you can see any link which say pages. So if you can see that, then you're fine. But if not, it simply means you're using an old Facebook. So if you're using an old Facebook, you're gonna click somewhere here, then it's gonna tell you to switch to new Facebook. Okay, that's fine. So if you switch on new Facebook, then you're gonna come and see it's gonna look like mine, exactly like mine, whereby you're gonna see the pages, friends, groups, and more. You understand? But if you don't see that still, you can scroll down a bit here, down, then you come a bit also more, click on more. Wherever you don't see it, click more. Then you come a bit by bit, slow by slow, step by step, and go up until when on those links you're gonna find a link which is called pages. So you click on pages. Once you click on pages, you're gonna scroll down. You do what? You find pages. So like here we find this page which is called New York car repairs. So this is the page we want to deal with. We want to do what? We want to delete this page. So if you're here on that page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on New York car repairs, and you do what? You do find out like you don't like this page anymore. What you do, you go one people reached, so reached people one. So you scroll down, and you're gonna do what? Click on your settings link. When you're on settings link, then you can see this page. You can say it has this page which say this thing which says this page visibility. So on page visibility, that's where you're going to temporarily publish your page, which simply means that when you do that, you are trying to get a break, and only people gonna see that page is gonna be you, or if you added people like admins, moderators, editors, they are the only people gonna see their page. Because in case you guys decide to come back to business, those guys, they can switch on the page. But also you must tell them that, you know what guys, maybe you have to sit down and make decision what you do with the page, because if you don't tell them, they're gonna also deactivate it. Maybe once you unpublish, it could happen like Facebook is gonna send them a notification to tell them like, guys, this page is unpublished, so would you like to publish it again? Then maybe one of them, instead of telling you, you might think something is going on, then it's gonna go activate it. Then you might think that, okay, maybe something wrong is happening. You understand? So Facebook page, once you click here and say, you can also click here and say, and see what they say. They say publish your page. Publishing your page makes it visible to public. If you tick unpublish, it will only be seen by people with a role on the page. And they can even give you that link which says read more. Once you click on read more, It's gonna say, how do I unpublish my page? It will say publishing page is visible to whatever. They're repeating one of the things we've been showing you. And they say from new page, they say to unpublish your page, you say from your page, feedback, click whatever. Oh, these are the steps they are showing us to how to do that. So I guess you're gonna see practically how to do it, and here they trying to explain more and more and more how to do that. Anyway, we're fine with them. We go back here and we click, we choose that, and then we save. Once we've saved, they ask us, please share your reason for unpublishing the page. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this screenshot just for some other simple reasons before I do unpublish it. Okay, let me take it. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I want it. There's something I want to show. Let's say unpublish. Oh, page. It's called page. Okay, oh, you save that. I've saved that. Okay, I don't want you to do that. I wanted this screenshot just for some reasons. Okay, so now what happens here, they're gonna say, please share your reason for unpublishing this page. Your feedback will help us to improve pages on Facebook. 1, the page isn't finished yet. 2, the business, brand, or organization is no longer active. 3, I created this page accidentally. So 4, I did not get enough value from the page, or other. If you click other, so it's gonna give you a box whereby you're gonna type and tell them what is that reason which they did not mention. So that after typing that, whatever you say, maybe you say, I'm gonna go for a break. Okay, then you say when you okay, then they tell you that when you publish a page, it isn't visible. When you unpublish a page, it isn't visible on Facebook or on search engines. Okay, are you sure you want to do this? If you're sure, you say unpublish, done. Once you're done, then it means that page won't be visible. So but anyway, I wanted to show you also how to delete it, since we lost much on the previous tutorial. So I try to say, let me combine these two so that we benefit in the in one tutorial. We get two things. So you go back to pages, then you look for that page, this one, then you click on that page you want to unpublish, to delete this time, not unpublish. Once you on this page, you're still gonna go to settings. On settings, then you're going to click on you scroll down. Once you're down here by the bottom of the page, that's where you're gonna do what, you're gonna see a link which say remove page, delete your page. So if you also here, it gives you a thing to edit. You can edit your page name, but anyway, that's not what we need. Cancel this and remove the page. So you just click this, simple, say delete. It says no, it's giving us something else. Remove page, save page, say okay. Something's going on here, so let me go back to Facebook. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to pages, and also I go to that page which is New York cars, and I scroll down here and say settings, and I go down and say remove page. Why is it telling me this? Okay, cancel, delete your page, delete. Okay, once you say agree on that, then your page is deleted permanently. It will never be there anymore. You can see in those pages there's no more New York what, New York cars, you can see. So even if we um, go back home, you click on pages, you can see New York is not there anymore. Yes guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please share our content. See you in the next video.